Hey everyone, we're delving into the ASUS ROG Harpe Ace Mini today, a state-of-the-art, incredibly lightweight gaming mouse made for top players. This small mouse, weighing only 49 grams, is a precision and performance powerhouse. It guarantees unmatched accuracy thanks to the ROG AimPoint Pro Sensor, which has an amazing 42,000 dpi resolution. Additionally, the Harpe Ace Mini can be connected via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz radio frequency, and a USB cord. With help of the polling rate booster, its polling rate may reach an incredible 8,000 Hz for maximum responsiveness. Harpe Ace Mini's 121 by 67 by 42 mm proportions allow it to accommodate range of grip types. It is better suited for right-handed users since, despite its semi-symmetrical design, the side buttons are on the right. With a sleek gray ROG logo on its matte finish body and faint RGB illumination restricted to the scroll wheel, its appearance is defined by minimalist approach. Clarity is guaranteed even in low light conditions, thanks to the rubberized scroll wheel's changeable brightness settings. This mouse's sensor is without a doubt its best feature. With a variation of less than 1%, the ROG AimPoint Pro guarantees pinpoint accuracy. It has a maximum acceleration of 50 G and can track at up to 750 IPS, making it perfect for competitive, fast-paced gaming. The three connection types of the Harpe Ace Mini demonstrate its versatility. This mouse easily adjusts to several settings such as wired gaming, 2.4 GHz wireless mode, or Bluetooth for longer battery life. You may fully utilize 8,000 Hz polling, which is revolutionary for FPS fans, with the optional polling rate booster. The Harpe Ace Mini also performs exceptionally well in terms of battery life. It lasts around 79 hours when in 2.4 GHz wireless mode and up to 105 hours when not using RGB lighting. You can adjust these figures to 139 hours or 113 hours in Bluetooth mode. It has remarkable endurance for prolonged gaming sessions, even at maximum brightness. ASUS's Armory Crate software powers the mouse and lets users adjust things like DPI, polling rates, and profile management. Many settings can be changed immediately on the mouse for people who are constantly on the go. For example, the bottom buttons let you change the DPI, and key combinations allow you to change the polling rates. The Harpe Ace Mini performs exceptionally well in a variety of gaming genres, including strategy and dynamic shooters. Its ergonomic shape and elastic key pushes create a gratifying tactile reaction, and its lightweight construction guarantees extended play without strain. Stability and accuracy are maintained throughout thanks to the Teflon feet's smooth sliding on a variety of surfaces, including hard mats and cloth. For gamers looking for a mouse that is portable, accurate, and multi-purpose, the ASUS ROG Harpe Ace Mini is an exceptional option. It is a powerful companion for both recreational and competitive gamers due to its high-end sensor, sturdy construction, and adaptable features. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new mouse? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.